I'm not happy. You're not alone. It's been 6 hours. I know how time works. I say we wake him up. He goes to the airport in a few hours. Let's just let him sleep. How come he gets special treatment? Because he has a job and you're too lazy to panhandle. He's never done this before. Without deviation from the norm, progress is not possible. Frank Zappa? Instagram. I'm so tired. Then falling asleep should be easy. What are you wearing? It's my nightcap. Oh, you suck. Nope. Where are you going?
To be determined.
What? Let's look for clues. I get it. Diverging from the norm, huh? Good night. Sit on the couch, feet on the ground, kick back.